What is essential performance documentation for PIPs? Have you ever wondered what makes a performance improvement plan effective? Today, we are going to break down the essential performance documentation for performance improvement plans, or PIPs. This documentation is key to ensuring both the manager and the employee are on the same page throughout the improvement process. First, it is important to clearly identify performance issues. This means documenting specific problems with concrete examples, dates, and data whenever possible. For instance, instead of saying an employee is not meeting expectations, describe how their performance falls short with observable behaviors or measurable outcomes. Next, you need to define performance expectations and goals. State the expected standards clearly and in measurable terms. Using SMART goals is a great way to set targets. For example, you might say, reduce quality errors to less than 3% per month, or complete at least 150 units monthly. These goals should be realistic and set within a defined time frame, typically 30, 60, or 90 days. An action plan is also essential. Outline the steps the employee should take to improve, including any training, coaching, or resources available. Specify who will provide support and how often progress will be reviewed. This shows the employee that the organization is committed to their success. A clear timeline with start and end dates for the PIP is necessary. Include scheduled check-in meetings to discuss progress. Regular reviews help keep the employee accountable and allow for adjustments if necessary. Documentation of meetings and progress is another key element. Keep written records of all meetings, feedback sessions, and any changes made during the PIP period. This should note improvements as well as ongoing deficiencies, providing an accurate history of the employee's performance journey. It is also important to include signatures and formal acknowledgement. The PIP document should be signed by the employee, the manager, and, if applicable, a human resources representative. This confirms that all parties understand the issues, expectations, and consequences. Lastly, clearly state the consequences of non-improvement. This may include further disciplinary action or termination. Being transparent about potential outcomes helps set clear expectations and highlights the seriousness of the plan. For first-time managers and young professionals, maintaining thorough and objective documentation is essential. It ensures fairness and supports clear communication. This creates a transparent record of the performance management process. Regularly, updating the documentation and involving the employee in reviewing it can also encourage engagement and accountability throughout the performance improvement plan.